Generally speaking, drywall joints, fasteners, beads, and trims should be finished as smoothly as possible to minimize sanding. But even the best professionals usually have to do some light sanding. So, here's how to get the job done right the first time. To avoid creating dust, wet sanding is recommended rather than dry sanding. If wet sanding, saturate a small-celled polyurethane sponge with clean water. Wring out the sponge only enough to eliminate dripping. To remove high spots, moisten the joint compound with the sponge, then pull a joint knife across. Use as few strokes as possible. And remember to clean the sponge frequently during use. If dry sanding, use 150 grit or finer sandpaper. Be sure to wear safety glasses and an NIOSH MHSA approved respirator. To reduce dust, use a sander with a vacuum attachment. Using USG sheetrock brand dust control joint compound will also minimize airborne dust and bees cleanup. You can also use a hand sander or wrap sandpaper around a small block of wood. This will help prevent you from digging into the joint compound. A small sanding sponge works great for details and touch-ups. Be careful not to scuff the drywall paper. If you do accidentally roughen the paper, you can repair the damage by applying a thin coat of joint compound with a knife. Follow these simple sanding tips to help you get a smooth interior surface.